Hello everybody, welcome to Totally Dazzled. I'm Jennifer with Home Sweet Create. So we are so excited to share this with you. I think this has been a long time coming. Natalie and I actually talked about this, I think like 2 years ago. So super excited. But we have stencils now for our gorgeous bling. And so they come in rhinestone stencil sets, okay? And then my personal favorite is the Faith set. So you have all of the gorgeous crosses and then some of those words. We're actually going to be using this one today, but we're going to do it on, I have this little black canvas bag and I think we're going to do some actual stenciling. This is the Angel Wing stencil from VintageRetailTherapy.com, Mara's stencil, VintageRetailTherapy.com. We're going to be using, I think, this set along with a cross and our bling and probably one of those words. So to prep my little surface here, I did this bag and I just did a coat of, it's the Art fabric medium. You can also use the Art decoupage varnish and glue for textile. And I'm going to try to line this up the best I can. Y'all, I really hope I'm getting this even on the center pocket. We're going to use our Essential stencil brush and we're going for it. Now, usually I'm a swirler. Well, I guess we can on this. But sometimes in those little tiny spots, you might need to pounce. Ah, so pretty. Look at that. See what I'm saying? That fabric paint covers so nicely. We're gonna give that a good dry. Okay, so on the stencil, there are, you're gonna have this piece in here. It's almost like a Teflon. We're gonna be using that next week. They all are perforated. I know it's probably hard for you to see that. See that? They're all perforated. So you have your stencil, which is almost, it's almost like a velvet. It feels like a velvet, almost like a velour type feeling. Let's just see here. So as you can see, you have all those little holes there. Okay. So all I've done is just stick it right on there, okay? Now, this is all I had that I knew would show up on the bag. We're just gonna come in and make a little dot. So basically we're making a pattern. We're making a pattern of where we're going to put our bling. Let me see, show you, y'all can even see that. So I just did little dots inside of each one of those holes, and then we can lift it off, voila, stick it back down, and then I think I'm gonna use this one, Faith. So we got our word on there and we're just gonna pull that off. And now let the blinging begin. Okay, so I'm gonna go with the Crystal Shimmer Stones, or AB. I think I'm gonna use the SS10s. And you give your little rhinestones a shake, and then look, they all flip up for you. So we're gonna start with our word. And this goes pretty quickly. So I am just coming in and I'm applying those stones right to our little glue dots, the ones that we, you know, came in, used our stencil. I like to just push them down. Okay. And just like that, oh my goodness, is that not too pretty? Here we go. Just gorgeous. Those are the shimmer stones. Love them. Okay, so I grabbed a few different choices here. I grabbed some of this is just from Amazon. It's, you know, the strips, oh my gosh, of the Aurora Borealis stones. I thought we'd add just something here. Now, when this bag is opened up, you don't see that bottom section, see? Because it sits flat. I kind of like, I don't know if I want to go with the thin or I have the really thick one. Go big or go home, or the thinner. Oh, I kind of like that wide. I am going to use some B7000 to get this down. I am going to. That is super, super sticky, just so you know, the adhesive, the bling wrap stuff. Okay, yes. Woo-hoo-hoo, talk about a statement there. And those stones are that same AB. Okay, that's really cute. Okay, I kind of, do we want to put it there? I kind of like it at the top of that cross. All right. Oh, y'all. I think the crown is a perfect little touch there. And I hope you have an amazing and blessed day. Bye-bye, friends.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.